The real acquisition report breaks down exactly where genuine visitors actually came from: organic search, direct, referral, or social. In this video, you'll read a real traffic source breakdown. This real channel genuinely reflects the actual payoff of the SEO work covered throughout this series. This real channel often genuinely includes actual returning visitors and untracked sources bundled together. This real channel genuinely reflects traffic sent by the backlinks discussed earlier in this series. Organic search traffic genuinely reflects real SEO payoff. Direct traffic often bundles real returning and untracked visitors. Referral traffic genuinely comes from real backlinks on other sites. Open your real acquisition report and identify your single largest traffic channel. Ready to watch real visitors on the site right this very second?